Hi, my name is Clint LaFont, and today we are at the Austin Community College Highland campus. Behind me, you see the AMP lab, or the Advanced Manufacturing and Prototyping lab, which is part of the A&E CAD department. This lab is a support lab for our Introduction to Computer-Aided Manufacturing class, as well as our Advanced CAM class. Both of these classes use MasterCAM software, where the students will start from scratch, creating a program that will be proofed and run on one of the CNC machines behind me. The students will walk out of the classroom with a finished part that they'll get to take home. But during the course, the students are going to learn the fundamentals of the manufacturing process and what it takes to make something. I hope to see you there.